what do you think about this song if I drop this song? But I don't think there's nothing like that. I don't think our artists do that. You know, our artists here in Moscow, I don't think they do that. Because I feel maybe they don't believe in the DJ or something, I don't know. But to me, the DJ has a lot of big advantage, you know, big
You know,
advantage for our entertainment industry because the DJ are the life of the party, you know.
okay. In terms of that relationship between DJ and the artist, I don't really know what is going on because these two people need supposed to work together because
Definitely.
back then in Nigeria when they run all those promotion, all those artist things, you cannot
Artists
do
when they
without
play with
DJs.
DJ now, you know Nazubi.
Now DJs, those back in the days, I know DJ Wallace, I know DJ
Big shout
Slam.
out to DJ Wallet, don't be
These
lying, I would
DJs
know.
are DJs where they go meet for MYTV, LOTV, those back in the days, you
Mm,
know.
mm.
So, and I don't think if you're an artist watching now, if you're based in Moscow, Russia here, and you are not reaching out to DJs, you know, any DJs, you know, my brother,
Please,
you're
please,
on the
let's
long term.
communicate together. Let's communicate with the DJ. And at the same time, the DJ still need to really except you say you're not a professional DJ or you're just doing this DJ for fun. You understand? If you love what you're doing and you see it as your career, you must promote your brand. You don't have to wait for people to do show before you promote your brand. These are the standard that we need to keep as a DJ. The DJ still need to play their own part too because as a DJ, you need to keep a standard. You know, not just going to parties, not just people calling you for party. You need to keep a standard in the sense that not all about money. Keep a standard that people will look you as a brand. People will see you as a brand, not just a DJ. You understand?
Okay, Jimmy Jam Posca, it's been a wonderful talk with you. So let me go for this question before you play some music. Okay, what is your relationship between you and your fellow DJs? Your fellow, we have so many DJs in Russia here. So what is your relationship between you and other DJs?
Normally, my relationship with them is normal. We are friends. You know, we communicate, but I think we only communicate when we